So this tree right behind me that I was just leaning on, so see how it's growing? So it's growing and it died. So there's like a dead branch. But then it continued to grow right here. And then it is like one of the tallest trees in the whole entire little forest. So yeah, I just love watching the trees and the pond. Look at how muddy the water is. I'm in South Carolina and it rained the last few days. So the water looks like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. It's all the clay. But anyway, this is the best part of my walk, is just sitting in nature. I keep wanting to move, but this is literally within walking distance from my house. I'm dumbfounded that there's no forts back here. And it's crazy that nobody comes back here. It is just so freaking wonderful to be back here. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video.